Hello friends, I am Sony. I am here with a new video. Today we are going to learn about AWS, what is AWS CLI and how to install AWS CLI in the Windows. So what is the AWS CLI? AWS CLI is the AWS Command Line Interface. Is an open source tool that enables you to interact with the AWS services using the command line shell. With the minimal configuration, AWS CLI allows you to operate same functionality using the command line which AWS provided via browser based AWS Configuration Management Console. So now how to install it in the Windows? So there are two ways to installation. First one is download and run the AWS CLI MSI installer from Windows. And if you want to download the latest version, then you can go to this URL and you can download it, and after clicking it you can just install it. There is another way of installation is via command line cmd. Just copy this code, go to this, paste it, and it is preparing to install. So there are two ways. Next, accept, next, install. It takes a few minutes, so please wait for the few minutes. Once it's completed, we check is it installed or not via checking the version of AWS CLI using the CMD. Now it is successfully installed, so let's check is it installed or not. So go to the CMD and write AWS space -- version. So you will get the version of AWS CLI. So it is successfully installed. Now if you want to uninstall it, via uninstall it, so there is two way to go to the search bar and search for the control panel and uninstall the program, or you can directly do that via CMD. Copy this code, appwiz.cpl. It will open control panel, search for the AWS Command Line Interface and change on uninstall. So you can easily install and uninstall the AWS CLI, and what are the use of AWS CLI, and how to update Lambda using the AWS CLI. We check all the things in next video. Thanks for watching, and please like, share, subscribe to my channel.